up guys, Sebastian here. Just a quick video for you guys. I just wanted to show you guys I got a 2019 Bentley Bentayga here. I just wanted to show you guys how these come from the factory, how protected they are. It's kind of almost ridiculous. Wheels, they got wraps on them. You can't even see what they are. I'll show you guys if I can get this off. Wheels, all the trim around the windows, all comes with wraps on them. Like I said, all of the wheels, all of the trims. Look, even the license plate screw holes have caps on them. Let me show you the interior. It gets even better. Look at this. The door panels, they got plastic wraps on them. The seats come with socks. Here's the driver's side seat. The steering wheel all comes wrapped up. The whole center console, even the key comes in a bag. The center console, you can't even open it, you can barely even see it. Pretty crazy. The rear panels, they all come wrapped up. Yeah guys, that's all I wanted to show you. In the comments below, let me know what other videos you guys want me to record. I've got quite the selection of cars I can make videos on. Let me know in the comments what videos you guys would want me to shoot. What would you be interested in seeing? Let me show you one more thing. I got another car right here. What do you guys think this is? Under a cover. Let me know in the comments what car you guys think this is. Make sure you subscribe. A lot more videos coming. Alright, thanks guys. I'll see you in the next one. For everybody who stuck through that Bentayga video, this is a little bonus to start up on a 488 Spider.